Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to log into your EA account on your Apex Legends mobile. So as you can see, I'm already logged in, but as in Google account. So we'll need to log out first. Let's move to the settings. From here, click on the logout while you're in the basic options. Click OK, and there'll be waiting time for about like a few seconds. After that, you'll see a login screen again. You can press more right here and select EA account. It will transfer you to EA login screen, and here you'll be able to enter your account information. After that, click sign in and you'll be logged into your EA account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.